y'all. This is Cheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and it's Christmas in July! Yay! Do you like my elf hat? Actually, it's not my hat, it's a tree topper. But I thought this would be the perfect prop to start this video because I am going to put together a compilation of all of my Christmas videos for the Christmas in July to give you a little bit of Christmas inspiration. So the compilation of videos will be my Christmas home tours, Christmas shop with me's, what I found after Christmas clearance, what I found thrifting. I always decorate my home in a different theme every year. And as you know, that can get pretty expensive. So I like to take things that I have and also thrift things to create a whole new look for Christmas. As you can imagine, that creates a lot of Christmas decor. And it most certainly does, because there is tons of Christmas decor in the basement. I had the huge shop with me after Christmas clearance hauls last year. I will put those in the playlist. Maybe it will give you a little bit of Christmas inspiration. And this year, we are going big. Yes, we are going big. This year's Christmas theme is all about glitz and glam. So if that is something you are interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. So to get you in the mood and ready to watch the playlist of all the videos, I'm going to show you a few, just a few of my past Christmas decor themes. So I hope you like it. Please make sure you give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if any of the photos that I show or any of the videos that you watch give you some inspiration for decorating for Christmas. And mind you, all of it is done on a budget. So I hope you enjoy the videos, guys. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. Here is one of two, in my opinion, very pretty trees. And the color this year was blue in here. I really like the blue color. I think they came out, or the tree came out really well this year. I can't talk today. These ornaments are a combination of Pier 1. These came from Pier 1. Those berries in the middle came from Pier 1. The ice branches came from At Home, which I thought were very, very cheap. They were like $2.99 and $3.99. You cannot beat that. You would pay so much more if you got those at Pottery Barn. These little balls are from Front Gate. I got those on clearance. I think it was a pack of 12 for $20, which that was okay, pretty, you know, it's a good deal. These snowflakes I got from at home, I really love those. There are picks in this tree that came from Hobby Lobby. There's one of them. The little disco ball ornaments came from Ross. These little ornaments, the ball, came from Pier 1. And the feathered garland came from At Home. And around this little tree, I have my deer from Z Gallery and one from Pier 1 that I got a few years ago. And then I don't know if you can see, there's a tiny little baby one right here, also under the tree. And over here is another server. And these stockings I got from Front Gate last year when I knew my theme was going to be black and white. And I think they're so cute. Don't look at my feet, I'm sorry. It's Sunday and it's a comfy day. These bling pieces came from Ross. And I have been on the hunt for the sleigh, but I cannot find it. I think that would complete my setup. And then I have this floral arrangement behind it. I think it's so pretty. And then I have the reason for this season. There is Mother Mary, Baby Jesus, and Joseph. I am on the hunt for a clear one, acrylic, or a really big one. Been on the hunt for that for a few years. I don't want to pay a lot of money, so I'll keep looking. These containers came from Z Gallery. I got those on clearance, and inside I just put in some Epsom salt with some deer that I got a couple of years ago from Dollar Tree, and I just spray painted them black and stuck them in there so it looks like they were in snow. And I think that looks so pretty. I'm sorry for my voice, guys. I am still getting over my cold. It is hanging on. It does not want to go away. This floral arrangement here I put together. I don't know if you can see that. The sun is so bright. Let's try to get a better angle. No, it's kind of dark. So I put it together with some ribbon from Michael's and Joann's, and the flocked picks are from Home Goods. I've got lights in it, which I will turn on when I do my Christmas home tour. And then, I don't know if you can see them, but there are little snowflakes that I have hanging from my arch window. I think those are so pretty. They're actually candle holders. And over here is my other tree. It is a mirror of the other tree. All the ornaments are the same. I really love this little ornament. I got it from, what was that place? They sold Martha Stewart ornaments, and I forget. It's a division of Home Depot, but anyway, it closed, and I can't find all those nice little cute ornaments anymore. Maybe if I go to Home Depot I can find them, but I don't really go there a lot. And then here I I also have more deer. Don't mind the string lights over there. I will also turn these trees on when I do my nighttime Christmas tour. But another deer from Z Gallery, I just love them. And another deer from Pier 1. I hope you have enjoyed taking a look back at my past Christmas themes. I loved everyone that I put together, and I hope you did as well. This was just a few of them. I have done many over the years, so I hope one of them has inspired you for your Christmas decorating this year. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite Christmas theme. I love them all, and I hope they give you much inspiration for Christmas. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.